Hey everybody, David with the Franco Painting, and we're working on a home that has had paneling, tons of drywall damage, and we're kind of picking apart at it. So we've done 3 walls, done some skim coating. So one here, that side of the stairs, and that far wall. So what I'm doing is people will ask us about the Festool. So we're gonna do a demo of the Festool. How dustless is it? How much dust does it leave? So let's take a peek and you can be the judge of it. All right, so we're here on our wall. You can see it's been mudded. This is our second coat on this wall. Actually, all the walls. They have 2 coats on there. And we're using our Festool orbital sander, and I've got 220 on there, 240 on there. So I'm just gonna do a quick thing with the video. It's really loud, so sorry now it's loud. But we're just do a quick thing on how dustless is a Festool. So when I did it the first time, that's how much dust we had. So just to kind of keep it so we know for sure, let's do a quick sweep. So when we redo it, we'll see how much dust falls, and then you can kind of see the air as far as how much dust is in the air. Here's my sweatshirts. I'm using a gray black, so just from touching stuff, there's a little bit of dust, but gray and black, so you can see my hands, the dust or no dust. So we'll play with this for a little while, and then you can kind of see us as we're sanding it, and I'll do another video of how much dust there is or isn't, how much dust is on the ground, and how much dust is on me. So when you're working in a home, doing drywall work, sanding wood, you can kind of see how, your opinion. We'll let you see, good, bad, or otherwise. So let's get to sanding. So it's been about 15 minutes I've taken to sand this. So you can kind of see the dust actually was just it's a nice little pile at the end. You can kind of see the air itself. That's a little. But sleeves, that's what's on my sleeves and hands. That's what on that sleeve and hand. So if you ever used a regular sanding pad, I'll grab a piece of sandpaper, and we're going to show you the difference of using the Festool and doing it by hand, as far as how much dust you can expect or what your hands are going to look like after the fact. So once you start doing it, you can already see how much dust this is producing just right there. We're not going to do any more. That was my case in point right there, and already you're dirty as heck. Plus you have to breathe this crap in. So our opinion is, these things are amazing.